Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I am just going to be talking about why I hate the status of being called small YouTubers. So if you don't know by now, my channel is Variety, still not nation down because I'm still new on YouTube. So I am a small YouTubers. So that is what I'm going to be touching about today. I don't want to be that small YouTubers. I want my status to change. So to be honest, I have been doing a whole lot of research and I have been watching a whole lot of YouTubers who have been following since February and they grew right in front of my eyes. So what am I talking about? On today's upload, it's basically just to encourage other small YouTubers like me that you and I need to get our act together. What am I talking about? I said it already. Some of those YouTubers that I watched grew right in front of my eyes. So what are they doing right and what am I doing wrong? I ask myself that question several times, like, hello, what am I doing wrong? I guess nothing, because I'm just sitting home watching the clips. I mean, trying to implement what they did. But let me say this, it has to do with you and your personality and how, I'm not going to say desperate. So yeah, so what I'm trying to say on this video is that small YouTubers are being small because we are not putting the work. We are not doing what we are supposed to do. I mean, I probably think it's just to upload a video and then let it go, let it sit. No, putting a video out there and letting it sit is not an issue. The big point is that putting the video out and then doing the work. They always talk about consistency. Yes, that's one factor. They always talk about SEO, search engine optimization. That has a whole lot to do with it. They always talk about keyword description. That, I'm telling you, if you don't know all about that, then there's no point about starting a YouTube channel, because all of this put together, it's what's going to make your YouTube stand out, what's going to make you rank on the first page. So I have learned all of this and I have seen that this is what people are doing that make them grow. And then plus, I'm going to tell you this, I always think I can do it manually. No, I was totally wrong, because doing it manually, it's going to take most of my time in creating content. So why not use apps to do this search, keyword search, title? Because listen, if you want to start a YouTube, you want to upload the content and you have the content up in your mind, you want to get it out, you have to search for the title and see if this is something that you can rank better for. Yes, so I definitely got a have. I recently got that, and I think that is one of the best decisions I ever make, because I'm not gonna sit there and be called small YouTubers, not growing. No, I have to grow. I want to grow. So I don't know about you, but I want to grow too. That's one of the reasons I talk about. I said all of those people I follow, they are people who know what they're doing. They talk about it and I saw the result. Because for instance, I have a lady who talk about how to get your YouTube subscribers, how to optimize, how to all of those terms, and then she's growing. So if she's not growing and she's out there, I mean, our subscriber is just like sinking, flying, unlike mine that sat there for a couple of weeks, no growth. So from now on, I'm not going to be doing just the talk, I'm going to do the walk. So one of the things I've learned with those YouTubers that I watch is that with SEO, I know that people are not just putting a video up and let it see it. They are doing research. They are searching. And how are they doing it? I mean, they could be doing manually, but I know for sure many people are using an app. So I got into that app. Hello. So that app, I got into it because not only that it's going to save me time, it's going to also save me a whole lot of stress of like cracking my brain on knowing what keywords rank, what title, all of that. So the app I started using is TubeBuddy. It's a Chrome extension which you can get for free. Hello, you can get it for free. But if you want to advance, you want to get more depth into the what they offer, you have to subscribe. I mean, I subscribe for the beginner, so that is affordable. But if you're on a budget, you might as well go for the free one. So with that alone, I have seen improvement. I mean, even though I got just 4 subscribers out of it recently, but still, I don't just put titles, not just putting keywords out that are not relevant to my videos. So that is one of the things that I think that as a small YouTuber, I need to know more and learn more, which is going to help me grow, and which other people are growing. So another aspect is our keywords. So I've talked about this, and then the keywords alone is not like I'm talking about it. I have to just also put it in every places should be. So if I need to place it where and when, so in my description, we all know that in the title it has to be, and not all just that, you also have to talk about it. Like me talking about, oh, I want to grow on YouTube, how do I use the SEO? So me talking about SEO in my topics and talking about other things I want to talk about on my topic, it's the key, and it's also going to help me when YouTube is suggesting my video. So I learned that, and I also learned it tagging. So all these four wrapped around is one thing that I think, and I know I have implemented, and I see that's growing. It's going to help my channel grow. I actually learned that some people, on YouTube, the CPM rate is quite different for different videos. So if you also want to get into niche, which also comes to niche, you want to see what rate, because every niche is different and every video is different. Video content you create is different. So I realized is that talking about keyword, talking about search engine, talking about how to grow on YouTube makes like people make more money on that. And then because like the people tends to like tune in to those kind of content more, because people want to learn, people want to grow. So I kind of learned that people are making money on that aspect more, but I'm not too sure right now because I'm still in the mode of research of what pays more and what pays less. But see, I am not saying I'm going to start diving into the YouTube content creator, how to know. I am not good in that field, but I can only share the ideas of anything I learn or what I've implemented in my growth, in my channel, or in anything I've learned so far. Maybe by next time I'm gonna have my my 100 subscriber yet. So you never know, nothing is impossible. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming back to my channel. I really appreciate it. If you have not subscribed, click that subscription button and notification, and then give this video a like, so that way YouTube will suggest my video more, and then it will also help me to create content like this. If you enjoy this, stay tuned for the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification, and then I will see you on my next upload. Bye bye.